Hello, this is Jesus Maldonado or Careful Turtle, and are you wanting to make free vector graphics and vector art, but don't want to pay for Adobe Illustrator? But you don't know what program exactly to use. There are a few free options that you could use, and one of them is called Inkscape. Inkscape is actually a pretty good program, and I've made several designs with Inkscape. And it's not really hard to use. Um, it is a little clunky in my opinion. I switched from it, but I did use it for like about a year and a half, just to learn how vector graphics work and kind of like the like how to do vector graphics because I was doing Photoshop for a little bit at first, and Photoshop I used Photoshop and Adobe Photoshop, and it was pretty like I was so used to like the layers panels, and just putting one on top of the other and masking and all that. But with Earth graphics, I mean, you could mask. I know in Adobe Illustrator you can, but in Inkscape I'm not so sure if you could. I never really had a need to do it. It was pretty easy. um, with Inkscape, like I don't know. You also have layers, but within Inkscape, on one layer, you could still put pieces on top of each other and behind each other and in front of each other without really needing layers. So I would often make a lot of images without using multiple layers, and that was kind of hard to get used to. But I mean, whatever. I liked it a lot. I made several designs, like I said. One of them being this one. I made this design on Inkscape. I don't know if you can see that well. There's so much light in the back, but this is one of them that I made. I've made all these ones on Inkscape as well. Except for this one, I didn't. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But then I switched over to Affinity Designer, which is another. It's not free, but it's very cheap. I bought it for $50. I think they were having a sale. I believe it's $50. Let's see how much it is real quick. Let's look it up. Let's see here. Yeah, see, it's currently right now for $50. I think I might have bought it for $20 then. I don't remember. I bought it on sale, so maybe on $20. I bought it on a sale, $25. I think I bought it for half price. And the thing about it is that it gives you free life updates. For $50, that's good. Instead of having to, pay for like a new version every, once in a while. They provide updates for it, as long as you have a license for it. Free updates every time they update. It's pretty awesome. So I do that all the time, and it'll notify you when there's an update too, so you don't have to go to the website and update it. Like kind of like with Inkscape, you kind of have to go to the website every time they release a new update. But Inkscape doesn't seem to update that very often, not that I know of. The time I use it, I think I've updated it once, and that was like a major update that they released. So yeah, there's that. And I've made lots of designs in Affinity Designer too. It's a little bit different than Inkscape. Obviously, you have to get used to the UI, the way it works, figure out your workflow again. I've made several designs on there. I made this design on Affinity Designer, and then I made this design on Affinity Designer, and it's a pretty cool program. And I would the thing I was not used to was that I don't know, it took me a little bit to get used to it, but other than that, I figured it out pretty quick, because it's already my third program that I'm playing with, and I just like playing with programs, and I just find it fun. I mean, it's frustrating, but I find it fun to do it. So yeah, there's that. But other than that, I think that's all I have to say. I guess I'll just keep making videos. I'll make videos on how to use both Inkscape and Affinity Designer. And the reason I went with those programs because I didn't want to pay for Illustrator. Illustrator was, it's way too much money monthly. Because I think if you buy one Adobe app, it's I don't know, $20 a month, something like that. Ooh. Let's see how much it costs. Let's see here on the computer. You know, I should have honestly looked this up beforehand, but I didn't. So, oh well. Free Adobe Illustrator. Oh, 70 trial. That's how they get you. That's how they get you to click their links. They say it's free, but then it's only free for a few days. No. If you buy it now, yeah, see, it's $20 a month. Yeah, just for. Oh, wow. Well, I just found something out. I guess for all apps, it's $20 a month now. Because before it used to be $52 a month. Interesting, but still, I could easily pay $20 a month. I just haven't done it. I'm only paying $10 for Photoshop, and you know, what do you call it? Lightroom. But I'd rather pay $10 than double the price, and then just get a free program or a cheap program, and use that. And they've worked out pretty well. I have no need to look for Adobe Illustrator or any other Adobe program for video editing. I either use Lightworks for video editing and DaVinci Resolve, depending on the computer I'm on, and if it can handle one of the programs or not. But yeah, so yeah, if you're sorry for going on so long, but if you are looking to to make vector graphics, but you're a beginner and you don't want to pay for software, you don't have the money for software, or whatever the reason, then yeah, Inkscape, free. It's a really good one. I know a few people who use it on Instagram as well, and they make really good stuff as well. And if you want to pay for something, Affinity Designer, $50, not that expensive, and you get lifetime updates. It's a good deal as well, and it's also another very powerful tool. Again, made this, that, made my Zenyatta Overwatch sticker as well. So there's that. These plugs for my stuff too, my stickers. I sell them on Etsy. But yeah, alright, thanks for watching and have a good day. Goodbye.